Hey there, GRE warriors, ready to take your vocabulary game to the next level? Ready to boost your vocabulary and ace that verbal section? Let's dive into a word that can really make a difference. Today I'm breaking down a word you need to know, aberrant. This word is not just useful for the GRE, but also for enhancing your overall language skills. So, what does aberrant mean? Let's explore its meaning and usage in depth. Simply put, it's something that deviates from the norm. It's like taking a path less traveled, something unusual or unexpected. Think of it like that one friend who always takes the scenic route home, totally not what everyone else is doing. This deviation makes them stand out. For example, in a sentence you might say, the scientist noticed an aberrant result in the experiment, which didn't match any of the previous data. This indicates something out of the ordinary. Here, aberrant highlights that the result was unusual or unexpected. It draws attention to the anomaly in the data. But why should you care about words like aberrant for the GRE? Let's break it down. Well, the GRE is designed to test your ability to understand and use a wide range of vocabulary. Mastering such words can significantly boost your score. Knowing words like aberrant can give you that edge in both the verbal reasoning and analytical writing sections. It shows depth in your language skills. Imagine reading a passage and coming across aberrant. If you know it means something out of the ordinary, you can better understand the context and nuances of the text. This helps in answering those tricky reading comprehension questions. It allows you to grasp the author's intent more clearly. This understanding is crucial for tackling complex passages and making accurate inferences. It sharpens your critical thinking skills. Plus, using advanced vocabulary like aberrant in your essays can seriously impress the graders. It demonstrates your ability to use sophisticated language effectively. It shows you have a strong command of the English language and can articulate complex ideas effectively. This can set your essay apart from others. So, how can you make aberrant stick in your memory? Let's explore some effective techniques. Try associating it with something personal. Personal connections can make the word more memorable. Maybe think of an aberrant event in your own life, like the time your dog decided to chase a squirrel up a tree. Such vivid memories can help reinforce the word. The more vivid the association, the better you'll remember it. Another tip: flashcards. They are a tried and tested method for vocabulary retention. Write aberrant on one side and its definition and an example sentence on the other. This active recall practice can enhance your memory. Review these regularly and soon enough, aberrant will become second nature. Consistency is key in mastering new vocabulary. And don't just stop at aberrant. Make it a habit to learn new GRE words daily. This continuous learning will build a strong vocabulary foundation. There are tons of resources out there, from apps to word lists, to help you build that robust vocabulary. Utilize these tools to your advantage. There are apps that can make learning fun and interactive, and word lists that can provide a structured approach. Find what works best for you. Remember, conquering the GRE is all about preparation and strategy. A well-planned study routine can make a huge difference. So, add aberrant to your vocab arsenal and watch your confidence soar. Each new word learned is a step closer to your goal. That's it for today, folks. Keep grinding, keep learning, and until next time, crush those GRE dreams. Catch you later. Remember, every word you master brings you closer to acing the GRE. Stay motivated and keep pushing forward. You've got this.